Hello guys and welcome again. This is my Nissan Magnite 1 liter naturally aspirated engine. So let me just quickly show you the battery and its specs and tell about the warranty. So I've got this Excite battery in my car. My car is 2021 November 2021 manufactured. So it is over 2 years now. So the specification of the battery is written here on the label. It is 12V33AH B20. 12V and 33Ah. It means it is a 12-volt battery which has a 33Ah power cells. So while you are replacing the battery, you will get either the 32Ah, 30Ah, 35Ah or 40Ah in the market. You might or might not get the 33Ah. So try to go for 35Ah or 33Ah. Don't go below that 33Ah rating. So another thing, the model number is written on the bottom here. It says 34B20L MF. MF is maintenance free and B20L is something related to size. 34 is just a model number. It is not the AH rating. AH rating is 33 AH. And Nissan India provides a 2-year warranty on this battery. Out of which 12 months is 100% free. It means if something happen in the first 12 months to your battery, then they will give you a free replacement without any cost. And after those 12 months, in next 12 months, in the second year of the warranty, if something happened to the battery, then they will charge you 50% of the cost of the battery. So you can also cross check the cost of the battery from outside any good battery shop. So these batteries cost around 3 to 4,000 rupees in the open market, and if you buy it from open market from any battery dealer, then they will give you a good value for your old battery also. One more thing I would like to add here is that though this is a 1 liter naturally aspirated engine, but I am very much positive and sure that the battery spec for the turbo and the CVT turbo is going to be the same for Nissan Magnite. So and make sure that whenever you buy a replacement battery, it fits the perfect size. B20 is the size, so match the size, otherwise you won't be able to fit it in the OEM battery tray. So while another one thing I would like to talk about here is that if you want to take off your battery, then always remove your black terminal, that negative terminal first, then take off your positive terminal, which is the red terminal, while taking it off. And while fixing it back, do it the reverse. While fixing it back, first fix the positive terminal, the red one, this one, and then the negative terminal. And while you taking it off, make sure that you keep the negative terminal cables tucked up somewhere, otherwise it will fall under the hood and you might find it difficult to locate. This is actually a earthing cable. It is connected to a part of chassis somewhere to give it a body earth. So this is a simple video, small video on the specification of the battery and its warranty policy by the Nissan India. I hope this will be hopeful for you, and thanks guys, and thanks for watching.